This is a video of the Kirk Rudy WinkJet system, and it includes the 215B base and the 881-3 dryer and the 314 6-foot conveyor. And we're going to be running this out of FlexMail basic version 4.2. The PC is not included with the system. You can provide any standard PC. We'll give you the PC specifications. And it's the that's the printing system, the WinkJet printing system. And you have the shuttle feed, and we can equip this with an optional friction feeder. And I'm going to show you some of the some pieces going through the machine, and I'm also going to show you inside the cabinets first. So we'll be right back. I'll get the cabinets open. Okay, our cabinets are open. This section is a spot if you're going to have a tower PC or you want to keep your PC stored in there. There's some outlets in the back. And then we have the other doors open, and you can see the blower motor, and on the other side here you can see the vacuum motor and the drive motors as well. And it's a clean machine, and I am going to be right back, and we'll run some pieces through the machine. Okay, we're going to run some sample pieces through the Kirk Rudy WinkJet, and we're using FlexMail 4.2, and we have an indicia set up on there and a address block and a barcode. So we're going to go ahead and print this on a 6x9 envelope out of the shuttle feed. We'll start the system up, turn on the vacuum and the blower. And that was at about 15,000 an hour, and the system shut itself off because we went low on the height in the shuttle feeder. And but this is your piece here with your intelligent mail barcode, address block, and we put a code 128 barcode on there, and you can also see the indicia that we put on there, and there's your finished product. So that was the Kirk Rudy WinkJet, and thanks for watching. Okay, we're going to demonstrate the conveyor speed up when we reach a tray break, and we're printing out of FlexMail software, so we're sending the characters for the tray break out of FlexMail and going to the WinkJet, and then we'll see the conveyor speed up. I sent about 50 addresses over to the system, and so we'll see them feed out of the shuttle feeder. We'll see the speed up, and then when the job is over after the 50 pieces, the system will stop feeding envelopes. So we'll go ahead and start the feeder. There's the speed up. You can actually see the package break marks on that piece. That's the end of that tray, and this is the end of the job. Shoots out a blank because it hadn't completed the job, so the feeder fed one more. You'll always get a blank at the end. So there's your package break, and you can separate your trays easily. And that's the Kirk Rudy WinkJet running with FlexMail software. Thank you for watching. Okay, we're back, and we put a friction feeder on top of the shuttle feed, and this is an optional item, and you can take it on and off if you do purchase it as an option. We put the Arena AF 500 on there, which is really a stream feeder, but a number of feeders would work. Kirk Rudy has a feeder, and I believe that's the model 496 feeder, and so we're in we put it on the 496 mode instead of the shuttle feeder, the 215 mode, and we're going to run some pieces. What I also did in FlexMail is I sent about 50 pieces to the system, and about halfway through I have some pound marks on the envelope, and the system will recognize that. The WinkJet part of it will recognize that and speed up the conveyor, output conveyor, so that you can see the where the tray break is, or you can also do a bundle break. So I'm going to go ahead and run some pieces. So I'm going to turn I just need the blower on for the table belts. I don't need the vacuum on for the shuttle feeder. So I'll turn the blower on. And we're just going to start the feeder. Increase the speed a little bit here, and we'll watch the output, and we should see it jump. There you go, and that's your jump on the conveyor. You had a couple of jumps, and then the job completed, and so the feeder stopped. It's always going to throw out one blank piece at the end, and but your feeder did stop. And that's the Kirk Rudy WinkJet system demonstrated with the Arena AF 500 friction feeder, which is a stream feeder. Thank you.